What's going on, you guys? PowerBuff 2013 here, and I want to give a follow-up to the video that I just did on the Dell Latitude E6520 and replacing the RAM. Now, what happened was, which I wasn't able to capture, but because I didn't know that was going to happen, but what happened was, when I turned on the machine, it came up with a message stating that the system's memory has been changed, and press F1 or something like that. I did, and then it booted straight up to the operating system with Windows 10, as you can see right here. And it says 16 gigabytes. And just out of curiosity, in case you're wondering the processor, include that my processor is an i7-3520M. I think that's either generation 3 or generation 4. And 290 gigahertz speed of the processor I have as well. And a lot of my WWE video game videos, you see Megaz's name. That's my created wrestler. I used that as a nickname too, other than just Harvey Beaks. And then I put that on my PC's name as well. But anyway, that's an update slash part 2 to the Dell Latitude E6520 RAM upgrade from 8 gigabytes to 16 gigabytes. Hope you guys enjoyed both of these videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Keep requesting horror versions. They're $3, so you go to the PayPal link in one of the descriptions. You send the $3 first. Then you ask me to do this or that request. Or it's a TV theme song or whatever. As long as it's not anime, I will do it. No problem. And keep checking out the AI songs. Keep checking out G4 TV too. The game show Dinner Lives. And the video games, whether it's Xbox, Wii, etc. That includes any of the Xboxes. And thank you guys for watching. And I will see you guys on the next video. Goodbye.